The Google Sheets action maps field submission data from a form to an external Google Sheet document. Configure this action to specify what data is saved to which column within the document. This can be useful to generate an ongoing report of submission data from a form. Before the Google Sheet action can be used, you will first need to set up your Google Drive integration, and you can see our help documentation for more info on how to set that integration up. All right, let's start off by adding a Google Sheet action. The first thing you'll need to configure is the Google Sheet ID, and that can be found within the URL of the document. So I'm going to copy, paste this over. The next thing we'll need from the document is the worksheet name, which is the name of the tab found below here. By default, the start row will be set to 2, and this is where the data will start populating to. The first row is typically reserved for the field labels, which will manually be entered. So we're going to keep the start row at 2. And then next, we're going to map the fields from our form to a specific Google Sheet column. The columns are configured using the alphabetic identifiers found within the document header. A, B, C, and so on. All right, we're going to go ahead and save this action and use our form to test out the Google Sheet action. All right, I'm going to make the submission. Once submitted, field data specified within the action setting should populate into the map column of the Google Sheet document. You can also configure the method option within the action to execute the action when the form submission is updated. Let me update the color field here, and that should update within my Google Sheet. And you can also execute the action when a submission is deleted. So I'm removing this submission from the database, and that data is now removed from my document.